Hey ladies and gentlemen, what's up? Devon Brown here, and today I want to share with you a principle that is more powerful than the law of attraction. Now, no doubt you've heard of the law of attraction. Most of you watching this video have probably seen The Secret, and you know how powerful the law of attraction is, right? You know how powerful it is to set an intention in your mind and to see it and to visualize it, right? And to attract that to you. Well, I want to share a law that's even more powerful than the law of attraction as far as you getting what you want out of life. Now, I'll tell you how this came about. I'm actually part of several different mastermind groups, and one of the masterminds that I'm in is a mastermind specifically for internet entrepreneurs, and it's a closed private Facebook group. And what happened was, the mastermind, the Facebook mastermind, what we did is, we had an internal, mastermind call. And what we were going over were some advanced strategies on how to do webinars, right? And so one of the guys who is in the group went and took what was taught on the webinar, and within 3 days, he went and did a bunch of stuff. He went and did the stuff that was taught on the webinar, and he didn't even finish it completely. But 3 days after the event, he posted in the group, "Hey guys, took the ideas that you talked about on the webinar, and I've already made two $997 sales." So basically, he made $2,000 like that, and he didn't even implement all of the stuff correctly. Like, he didn't have any follow-up messages. He didn't have a webinar replay. He didn't have like half the shit that he was supposed to have, but he already made $2,000 in like no time flat. And so that brings me to this principle that is more powerful than the law of attraction. As a matter of fact, I got to give props out to my buddy John Lawson. If you don't know who John Lawson is, he's an internet entrepreneur, big e-commerce guy. He's in this mastermind group, and he's the one. So what happened was, the guy who made the money, he posted, he's like, "Yo, I just did the stuff from the webinar, and I implemented it, and I made two $997 sales." And John Lawson said, "Well, that's the law of what I'm about to tell you," right? And so I got to give him props. I wish I had invented this, but I didn't. So anyway, the law is called the law of just get some shit done. Okay? That's it. The law of just get some shit done. Or we can call it the law of just do some shit. All right? Just do something, damn it. And that's what got this individual those results. I mean, the secret is about the law of attraction, right? We set the we visualize what we want. We set the intention. We feel the feelings of already having it. And yes, there is action to be taken in the law of attraction. But in the law of just do some shit, you just sit your happy ass down and just do some shit. That's just right. and it's the law of just do some shit is about imperfect action. And the action that this individual took was imperfect. Like I said, he didn't have any follow-up messages. He didn't have a webinar replay. He didn't have, the entire system A to Z. He had like A, B, C, D, E, and F. And he didn't have G through Z, but he still made money. And so my advice to you is that you implement the law of just do some shit, all right? And you go and you just do some shit. Right? You email your list. And when I say just do something or just do some shit, I'm not talking about reading some emails. I'm not talking about like reading I'm talking about like actual implementation. Right? I'm talking about imperfect implementation. Right? I'm talking about sending an email to your list, and instead of saying, well, this isn't the best email copy in the world, but I went to JVZoo or to Warrior Plus or whatever, and I requested that I could promote 15 products, and I only got approved for 3 of them. And I took the first one, and I wrote an email to my list, and it was horrible, and my list only has 50 people on it. And I don't even know if I wrote the email copy well, and it was really crappy, and I just copied it from somebody else, and I don't even think it works. But I pushed send on my damn autoresponder. That's the law of just do some shit. That will get you further faster and get you more results than a million laws of attraction. All right? So that's what I want you to do. I hope you found this video helpful. Let me know your thoughts in the comments below. Feel free to like this video, comment on it, share it, and I think that's all I got. Go do some shit. All right, I'll talk to you guys later. Bye bye.